I had it on high and just opened the door and this thing started going off without even sticking it in there. Check this leak out. It's on medium. Coil's popped, I think. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's all shiny in here. Shine on me. Coil's popped. Put this thing on low. If you put it down below, refrigerant's heavier than air, so that's where you want to go when you're searching for leaks. But this coil's no good. Maybe not. might be right here too. I don't think the coil's any good. Come back over here. There's some soap bubbles on there, but at this point, coil's under warranty. Yeah, it's under warranty. Swap out the coil. What is this, Summit? Yeah. Go to medium. I had it on high and just opened the door and this thing started going off without even sticking it in there. Alright, enough of that. I'm gonna get this model serial number, get a new coil, swap this coil out. Wow. Phenomenal air. These things are pretty cool. Alright, let's get it up out of here. Get a new coil in here. Blue micro gas leak detector. Let's spray this down. Let's see. The leak is picking up down here. I'm gonna soak this really good. See what happens here. I'm probably gonna have to press this up with nitrogen really to find that leak. A lot more pressure in here, but I'm not even gonna do that because like I said, this thing's under warranty. I'm just gonna give it a new coil, cut this one out, put a new one in, and be done with it. That way we're not worried about it. But I know there's a leak in here because I picked it up from that leak detector. And that thing don't lie. All right, on to the next one, baby.